Good evening, good evening. I am preparing to shampoo my hair. I've already braided my hair in preparation for shampooing. I have had my Sisterlocks now for almost 4 years. It will be 4 years March 4th of 2023. And yet I still braid and band. Not because I have to, but because I want to. I'm going to be shampooing my hair again with the purple shampoo that I used the last time I shampooed. But I'm going to do something just a little bit different with it. Before I tell you what I'm going to do though, I want to say thank you to my subscribers for all of the support that you've given me. And I pray that you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, my question to you is, what are you waiting on? There's always an open invitation for you to join the G&G family. So click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. I am braiding and banding my hair. And when I got back there, you notice that I banded one. And that's because when I pulled on it, it was not comfortable for it to be banded with that next braid. I am looking for comfort, and I'm also trying to protect my locks. Now, what I'm going to do differently tonight is I am going to be still using the purple shampoo, but I'm going to add something to the shampoo. In my previous videos, when I used the Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint shampoo, I especially liked the way that the shampoo felt on my scalp. And so I'm going to add a few drops of this peppermint oil to this container. You guys, that was 15 drops. Now there's no rhyme or reason as to how many drops of shampoo I placed in that container. I have no idea what the strength of the peppermint oil will be once I add the shampoo, but I'm hoping that I can get the same invigorating sensation that I've gotten with the Design Essentials. And now I'm adding the purple shampoo to the container. And as you can see, this shampoo is actually purple. I am looking for some shine or a decrease in a brassy look in my gray hair. And I'm also trying to achieve the tingling sensation on my scalp. And I am going to stop there. I'm going to add this to the top, and now I'm going to get in the shower, and I'll be back to tell you what I felt and whether or not I enjoyed it just as much as I did with my Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint shampoo that it seems has been discontinued because I cannot find it anywhere. I'll be back in a little while. See you soon. I have a long sleeve t-shirt on my head, soaking up the excess water from my plaits. Ooh. My hair and my scalp feels very good. Very good. I just wanted you to get my initial reaction to the cool feeling that is on my head as I take this off. I may add some more peppermint oil to that amount of shampoo the next time, because it wasn't as tingly as I wanted it to be. And so I need to add some more peppermint oil to that same amount. I may even double it, because I love that feeling. And I think peppermint oil has its benefits. When I used it at Aloe and Peppermint Design Essential Shampoo, I must say that it also moisturized my hair. I won't give all of the credit to the fact that I don't condition. I think that the shampoo, let's see how I want to say that. I don't use conditioner on my hair, and I haven't for over 3 years, except for the purposes of videos, when I realized using a conditioner on my hair was loosening my locks, and therefore I don't use conditioners on my hair right now. But I do realize that my Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint shampoo had some conditioning elements included, and that may have helped my locks. I hope also that the fact that there's oil in the purple shampoo now helps to lock in moisture in my hair. And I will find that out as we go along. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. It's almost afternoon. I've had a wonderful morning of relaxation. I have the day off. I'm going to show you my hair in the back. My plan today was to just relax most of the day and do nothing. So I would not have to take these braids out. And I am not really taking them out completely, but what I'm going to do today is to just take the 3 that I just showed you in the back, and make them into 6. So each of those braids that I lifted up, I will split into 2 braids. And because of the way I'm dressed, I think it's going to work for me, because my hair is still a bit damp, and I want this to be my style for the day. Now I'm being picked up, and so hopefully I can finish these braids before I'm picked up. This morning, Jackie, the owner of the salon where I have my suite, the 2 of us are going thrifting today. I will probably show you what I'm wearing, so you will know exactly why I say this hairstyle probably goes with my outfit. I have on a denim button-down shirt and a denim pair of pants, and also some of what I call a cowboy booty. So I think it works in that my hairstyle will fit with my outfit. I love the way my hair feels right now from the purple shampoo that I used last night. And remember that I added some peppermint oil to it, so it certainly feels moisturized. That may be a key to having moisturized locks. It's not too much oil that it feels slippery, but it's just enough oil to seal in the moisture that I received from the water. I'm going to quickly go ahead and plait these. It looks like my ride is here, so I will be finishing these plaits in the car, and then I'll show you what it looks like later. But you have an idea of what I'm doing. So yes, I'm going to cut off the camera. I'll come back later. I think this yellow jacket is mine. Somebody left a mess in this dressing room, but I'm just trying on things with the door open, and I think that this yellow jacket belongs to me. I think it's by Jones, New York, but I'll check. So this is really my outfit of the day. Look at this Banana Republic sweater vest. It certainly belongs to me. I like these shoulders. Yeah, I just have on the wrong check shirt underneath this, but I'll put on a t-shirt, some black jeans, and this will dress this up. Show you that outfit one day. This is a white New York & Company moto jacket. I love moto jackets. This is mine. And I've already checked the zipper, and it works. I'm really in here looking for a denim shirt, and I found this one. This is by Ralph Lauren, but I am certainly on the fence with this one. I'm not sure. I'll just have to let you know later if I purchased it. So what are your thoughts on this? These are some Banana Republic wool pants. Yeah, and I'm getting these. The hem is out, but I'm gonna hem it so that it fits. And I can wear that with some black turtleneck, this, and my gray sweater vest. I got plans. These are some Gloria Vanderbilt black jeans, not quite skinny legs, but I think they're boot cut. So I can wear these with my black boots. Yes. I'm gonna style these things and let you see it eventually. I will. This is a pair of Dockers, a Belt brand, khakis. Loving it, and they are mine. And I'm back in my outfit of the day. Getting ready to pay for what I purchased. And I'll see you in the next clip. I realized that this gray Banana Republic pair of pants is brand new. It was originally $88, on sale for $59.99, and I think I'm gonna get it. Excuse me, how much are the women's pants? $4.89. All right, thank you. And I ended up at Zaxby's, went to Ruby Tuesdays. They didn't have no place for us to eat, so we ended up at Zaxby's. Went to Fats had a C on the door. So this is what I'm eating today. And so I got a call from my daughter-in-law, Tanesha Shanari. So right now, I'm just watching the Tay and Joshua show. And as they do what they do in their garage. Because I just finished hemming my Banana Republic pants. And yeah, so that's Tay right there. I just wanted to show you a little bit of that.